All right, welcome crypto enthusiasts to Crypto Fountain Academy. Today I bring to your screens another airdrop opportunity which I wouldn't want any of my subscribers, my followers, my community members to miss. This is an airdrop from BLUM, an exchange, a crypto exchange which is very unique, have a mini app in Telegram supported by Binance. So what do you need to start? You only need a link which I'll leave in the description section of this video. Don't forget, I'll leave a WhatsApp link and also a Telegram link. Make sure you join so you come into the mates of like-minded people of crypto enthusiasts where every question will be answered, right? So before we start, before I take you through, let me show you something. So this is their X account. I'm talking about their Twitter account, a verified account, right? Followed by 611k people, 600 and I'm talking about 11,000 people. I can see Dr. Crypto here. This guy is a very genius. Is a genius crypto guy. I've been with for quite a time, right? So they just they just announced their airdrop opportunity on Telegram, just like not dead. You see, Telegram is trying to lead or trying to be the leading Web3, like the leading Web3 social media app, and due to that, lots of projects are running their airdrops through Telegram. But we are not going to be tapping on just any airdrop that we see. Now we need those ones that have the potential to make our dreams come true. So if you want a crypto, if you want an airdrop, if you want to be tapping during your leisure time, I'm talking about tapping that will earn you money in the crypto space, then consider BLUM to be part, right? Please, if today happens to be your first time coming across my channel, please subscribe, like, comment on the video and also share. Don't forget to join the WhatsApp and also the Telegram communities. And also, I'll leave you a link in the description section where you can join to also mine, right? So without much ado, let's start. Let's go into business. Okay, so let's create our accounts. So I'll click on create account. Okay, so pick a nickname. Let me just choose Stanley. I really love my name, right? Okay, Stanley is taken. So then let me choose crypto fountain. Let me choose crypto fountain and see. Okay, so once you try choosing your nickname and it tells you it's taken, just keep on trying different ones, right? The idea is to make money, not to choose the best name. Okay, so we click on continue and then let's wait. So this exactly what you are going to see when you follow what I'm teaching you here, right? So okay, all right, so day one, because let's begin. Open Bloom Daily to unlock rewards. Something went wrong. We are already on this issue. Oh my god, it seems okay, crypto fountain. So here all you have to do is to click on start farming. For now, you click on start farming. And one thing I want you to be sure, or I want to bring to your notice, is this airdrop is very limited, so you don't have to joke with it, trust me, because I only have 4 slots of invites. So once you join and they tell you it's expired or the limit has exhausted, just that's why I'm leaving my WhatsApp and also Telegram community links. Just reach out to me. I'll give you a different invite code from one of our community members, you can use and you also join us. So the farming has already started. Let me click on tax. There are so many tax you can perform to also earn more points, more BLUM points, right? The points are going to be the source of fuel in the BLUM ecosystem in their exchange. So make sure you accumulate lots of points. So here, let me click on stats. Okay, so let me click on stats, and then I think here they are going to request my email, right? So for my email to join the wait list, let me use this one. Okay, so right, it has been received. So I'll just go back and then receive some points, right? So let's wait. It's a bit slower because it's limited and lots of people are rushing for this gem, so it's a bit slower. Okay, and once you are able to farm, I think 1,000 points, you also get 150 BLUM points. It's amazing. Now let's subscribe. Okay, let me claim this point. As you can see, I already have 10 tasks available. So okay, so I've gotten my 200 BLUM points. For this, I can't claim it now because I don't have 1,000 BLUM points, but I can join their Telegram channel now. Let me click on stats. I think the network is a bit slower, so we have to be patient. So this what you have to be doing in the task section, right? So now let's go to friends. Look at it down there, you can see friends there. Let me click on friends. Oh my god. Okay, now I can join their Telegram account now. Okay, you can see accounts and balances are safe and sound. Devs are cooking something delicious, guys. This is going to be crazy, trust me. If you miss this, you can see that the channel already have 2.6 million subscribers. It's crazy. You see, on this channel I only bring you the most rewarding project, so you don't have to joke with any of my updates. Trust me, you don't have to joke. As you can see, I can just invite 5 people. I can just invite 5 people. So I'll leave the link in the description section. You have to be fast. As soon as you get this update, join fast. Check the description section, join, and also join the WhatsApp and Telegram communities, right? Get a gem play for blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is where you can also invite your friends. Now let's go home. You can see this game, this sorry, let me show you something here. This drop game here, let me use this guy. You can see it, right? You have to click on it. That's where you'll be mining, trust me. You have to click on it and then play the game. As you play, the coins will also be accumulating. So the network is a bit slower, but this what's going to happen once you click on it and it open at your end. You see this guy here. Oh my god, oh my god. You see this guy here, you will see lots of them falling. So you just have to be tapping on them. You just have to be tapping on them like that, and then the points will be accumulating. Seems my Telegram is trying to misbehave. See you another time with another incredible video. Guys, please don't joke with this airdrop. Trust me, do not joke with this airdrop, and thank me later. Bye bye.